Today I'm making a very traditional Indian dish called butter chicken. To make it more healthy and respect my wife's request, I did not use butter, only avocado oil to make this dish. It came out so delicious. I wish you follow my recipe to make this dish. Let's make some butter chicken.
The tomatoes in this dish came straight from my little backyard garden. It feels so special to cook with something I've grown myself. You can find all the ingredients listed in the description below, so it's easy to follow along. Begin by halving the chicken breasts, then cut them into 1 inch by 1 inch cubes. Go ahead and place the chicken cubes into a bowl. For the marinade, add the juice of half a lemon, a teaspoon of ginger powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of smoked paprika, and about 10 cloves of oven-roasted garlic. Mix everything together until well combined, then set the mixture aside to rest of at least 30 minutes. Roughly chop the tomatoes and onion, then sauté them until softened. Grab a large skillet and warm up about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Once it's nice and hot, toss in the onion and let them sizzle. That's when the magic starts. While the onions are caramelizing, wash and rinse 2 cups of Basmati rice. Transfer the rice to a small pot, add 2½ cups of water, and bring it to a gentle boil. Add the chopped tomatoes to the sizzling onions and put the lid on skillet. Let them sauté together until the tomatoes soften and mixed with the onions. While the tomatoes are softening, drizzle 2 tablespoons of avocado oil into the rice. Let it cook gently until all the water evaporates and grains begin softening. With the help of a potato masher, gently break down the larger pieces of tomato. Let them cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. This helps the tomatoes release more of their water and brings out their natural sweetness. Add 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of gram masala to tomato mixture. Stir well until all the spices are fully blended in and the flavors come together. Carefully transfer the tomato mixture into a blender and blend for about a minute until it becomes smooth and velvety. Pour the blended tomato mixture into a fine mesh strainer, gently pressing to separate the silky, velvety puree from the seeds and skins for a perfectly smooth texture. Your perfectly smooth and velvety tomato puree is now ready. Let's take a look at the rice. It appears perfectly cooked and is gently simmering, becoming fluffiest rice. In a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, then carefully add the marinated chicken pieces, letting it saute gently until golden and fragrant. Once the chicken is perfectly cooked, pour the tomato puree into the skillet and stir gently, allowing the flavors come together nicely. Stir in only 1/4 cup of cream to enrich the dish, mixing gently until everything is perfectly combined. Your healthy, butter-free chicken is ready, bursting with flavor, creamy, and absolutely irresistible. I hope you give this healthy recipe a try and love it as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my new recipes. Thank you so much for watching.